Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Hello, everyone. Do I have a treat for you today? Within my inner reality, I'm going on adventures and I am going to climb this mountain. Please tell me a little bit about this location, sir.
So this is McCool Valley. Just on the other side of this is very beautiful. Once we get up to it, you'll see it.
So we're going all the way up there.
Well, it's actually only 600 feet.
Okay.
It's a nice little short trail. You pass these two Kiavi and you just follow the trail up. The trail is pretty simple, standard, easy to hang
600
on
feet
to.
sounds like a lot, you guys. Let's see if I can do it. If you don't want to see the suspense, go to the end of the video and see if I actually go all the way to the top, which is the apex, which is the cave. I'm going to be scared, but I guess you're going to watch me. We're going to go. They said it's a wide trail. It's a wide trail.
Real wide. All right, here we go. Hold on, get your keys off my car. Yeah. This is her not knowing. So this is a bit of the trail. It's pretty wild. It's a lot of rocks and roots. Here she is. A little bit of view. Just watch where you step, yeah? Yeah, you'll be fine. Look at you. Conquer this place. Put your mind to it.
I'm tired already.
No way.
I'm tired already.
Not even close.
When I'm finished my cigarette, you can do it in front of me, but you can just show them the view. Oh my God, we are so high, you guys.
We're going right here.
Oh my God.
See the cave up above my finger?
I can't breathe. The altitude is too high. The altitude is too high.
She's so crazy. We're not even 100 feet yet. A lot of rocks. Hard terrain. Hard on your muscles. Oh, tripped over a rock. But good. Don't worry, I'm waiting for you. I just want to get a view of you walking through.
In the wilderness, it's going to be obstacles. You got to climb all the way through.
That's it. Through your nose, I would say.
Oh, good idea.
Right.
Through the nose.
Well, you said you can't breathe.
Out the mouth.
Well, it does help. Yeah, this terrain's getting a little steeper. I actually have to lean in to climb up. Pretty steep, not too bad. This girl's in shape, but she's not in shape with the lungs. Strengthen the lungs. Make them strong. I used to run up this and then run down.
Oh, no.
Took me 7 minutes. Well, 7 to 10 minutes to run down. Live veggie. Poke your eye. Yeah, poke your eye. There we go. Let's see if we can see her. I see you.
Everybody in Hawaii moves too fast.
Oh, you just gotta get used to the mountains. There she is. Coming through the bush. Oh, I love the bush. There she is. Yep.
Wait a minute, catch this, please. I can't. Look.
There she is. On her knees. Before the unholy of holies.
In the wilderness, you guys.
See
There's
the
going to be
mountain?
moments during the climb where you have to stop.
Yes.
It's okay to stop.
That's it.
It's okay to catch your breath.
Yep.
just as long as you're not comparing or trying to race with anybody else. The only motherfucker you racing
Is yourself.
is yourself.
That's it. We know this. Whoop, I tripped over a tree limb. Hold on to the trees if you can't just...
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, it does help. The tree limbs will hold you. Even in the time of tumble. Yeah, the rocks are pretty extreme. It's getting a little steeper, but not too bad. See where she's at. Yep, I see her.
Are we up to 300 yet?
250.
250?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
300's up here at the T.O.E.T. Slow down.
Break at 300.
Huh?
Taking a break at 300.
Yep, sounds good. There's a rock up there to sit on. We gotta make it up there. Don't burn yourself up.
That's why I stopped. The body says stop.
Yep, go slow. Small steps. That's what conserves your energy. I didn't know if you knew. Here in Hawaii, small steps can help you get up. Yeah, there she is. We're in the bush. Can you see her? I can see her. Her blue shirt. Careful. The elevation will only get steeper. Try to take smaller steps.
You said this was wide. It is not wide.
Well, it's not as thin. It's not as thin as the other place. Let me tell you.
The other place is worse.
Way worse.
You guys, I want to visit Shark Island, and Kavika said that he would take me, and it's much harder than this one. So this is the prep for the Shark Island road trip.
Yep.
What's it called? Trail walk.
Trail walk. That's it. It's a mountain walk. Mountain view. But you have to be able to do this one to work yourself up to doing the other one, because the other one is real skinny.
Skinnier than this?
Yeah, you'll be walking on a mountain. This right here is a mountain, but it's a hill. Right?
I think I'm gonna have to walk this one a couple times before we go to Shark Mountain.
Yeah, you have to put yourself in shape. Here's the rock I was telling you about to break. It's in the shade. It's the T.O.E.T tree that I pointed out to you.
Oh, the T.O.E.T tree?
Remember the white one that we passed over there? There's the white one over there.
Oh, you showed them the ocean?
Yes.
Oh my God, isn't that beautiful, you guys?
Yep, there's Cayena Point just above my finger.
Look at the highway down there. We that far up? You see the highway, you guys?
We're up here. We're up here making it beautiful. Let's see if it's... Oh yeah, a really good view over here. I like this stick. This is a cool stick.
Oh, my selfie stick, yes.
Right?
Well, let me tell them something. Halfway through your journey, when you're rising up that mountain, take a break at the halfway point and celebrate. I came out 300, baby. 300 feet. We got 300 more to go. 300. I don't know if I could do it, but I'm sure as hell gonna fucking try with all my might.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Let's do it.
She's gonna put her heart into it.
Let's do it.
That's where it starts.
Fuck it. Let's do it.
Now this has got a pretty steep elevation. And it will get you. But it's all worth it in the end.
I couldn't even bring my water because I'd be tired of holding it.
I could have held it for you. I got water.
Less than one. Bring your water.
No, lesson one.
Hydration's hydration.
Be prepared. Lesson one. Hydration is a preparance. Yep. Walk with your toe. Stand on things that are hard. That loose shit might give you a little bit of a ride. Conquering your fears. That's what this lesson's about. It looks easy. It's because I'm not really seeing the steep of it all, but she's actually, the lean forward is the balance. She's not yet ready, but she's strong and willing, and that's power.
We have to come back down here, right?
Yep. Okay, gonna climb a side of a mountain right now. It's not that bad, it's actually pretty easy. I just went up a hard way. Like the challenge. Okay, so this is the view of the side of the mountain which I stand. So this is the view. It's like this. Yep, climb up here and show the slight pitch that it has.
Up there?
Yeah, just like right here. We're going this way.
We are?
Yes, we are. You're good. You're doing a wondrous job.
I told you we might not reach the top this time.
Yeah, we will, because it's right there. That's how close we are. The top is not far. We'll go to the top of the mountain.
See how narrow this shit is?
It's great. But you see how strong it is? It'll hold you, me, and a truck. You know what I mean? And there's plenty to grab onto. You can take as many breaks as you want. Just make it to the top. Okay, I'm gonna get you going up, and that's the elevation. She's climbing. That's it. Strength in our bodies make it climb. No, you're fine. All rocks will grab your shoes.
Oh my.
We're almost there.
Wait a
She's
minute,
right up
show
there.
them this. Oh my God.
Look at that.
I can't look back. Don't do it. Don't do it.
That's how beautiful it is.
Real quick message. If you don't want to look back at all the work you've done behind you, then don't look back if it's going to intimidate you. Because if I look back and see how high I am, I will return back. I'm keeping my eyes forward.
There we are. We're on the flat. Flat for a minute, you can take a break. We got this little up right here, and then it goes over. And then we walk right to the cave.
Cool.
Okay?
Yay.
So take a squat. Enjoy the views.
Oh, shit.
Oh, there's some people coming down.
You guys, can you see me? You guys, do you see this? Do you see this? Oh my God, this is so amazing. Check this out.
The real beauties of things you don't know about.
Oh my God. Oh my God. The ocean looks amazing.
As far as the eye can see, you can see the edge of the island over there.
Oh yes, all the way to the end.
That's 2.5 mile walk to the point.
Wow, 2.5 miles.
See a little globe thing on the top?
Yep.
There's a lighthouse. Pretty cool. It shines at night.
Yes, I've seen it. I've been out here at night.
I used to live
Never
right over
give
there.
up. No matter how hard it is, never get up. Because when you get on that apex, you go to the
Hey
other
guys,
side,
what's
to
up?
nirvana.
Way in your way. You coming this way? Yeah, it's more easy. Come.
Here you go. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna roll this. I'm gonna go up to the top real quick. No, you're fine. I could have gone around you. I'm just getting warmed up, baby.
I can do it. Because I don't think I'm going to make it, you guys. Yay, thank you.
That's a top right there. Yeah, that's
That's it.
It's right around the corner.
That's it. Climb. The beast within. Yeah, that's real steep right there. Get up on something solid, a rock. That's what holds you. Yep. You should be all right. Stay on them solid pieces. That way you don't slide as much. Going down is crab crawl.
So many little ants on the mountain.
Yep. Usually you see dragonflies too. Those are cool. Watch where you're going, not where you are. Stay your eyes to the trail, and that way you don't trip. That's it. Want to see where you're at? Stop. They call me a mountain goat.
And I would bump into the mountain goat.
Yep. That is good odds. Because with the mountain goat, you'll come back alive.
Break. Wait.
We're almost there. It's all flat. Okay. See her body? It's all shiny. It's because of the fact she's working. See her perspiration around her shoulder and her knees. Yep. And her face. If she had her glasses off, you could see it. There it is. The shininess of it. That's the hard work that's taking you to get up here.
The sweat.
You know what? This is your cleansing time.
That black melanated dark
That's it.
magic. Okay, I can do this. I
Yeah.
can do this. I can do this. I can do this.
Stand up and show yourself.
Oh, real quick, let me tell them something.
Oh, yes. Just remember.
Just remember, self-talk is okay. If you gotta go through the whole thing talking to yourself, don't let them think that you're crazy. You go ahead and talk to all parts of you and make sure everyone is on the right and same page.
Oh, if you fall into the grass. This way. Look. That way. Fall to your left no matter what.
Not the right.
You fall to the right, look. You're not going to be happy to the results.
Okay.
Okay? But it's a really wide trail. You can actually see it's pretty wide. So I usually walk with one leg in the grass. I usually walk with one leg in the grass and then one leg out. That way I don't slip like these other people that don't know how steep it truly is. Look at that. Walking around this mountaintop. Here's the end of the trail, kiddo.
Oh, don't look over there, Ishra. Don't look over there.
Look at me.
Yes, I am.
And look at the ground.
you.
Look at the ground. That's where you need to look. There's dirt over here, might be a little slick for your shoes.
Oh my God, we made it, bitches! Woo, 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 woo. Show them the cave. Show them the cave.
No, this is not it. This is a baby one. It's on the other side of this wall.
Oh, damn, I thought we made it.
No, we did make it.
Oh, wow. Let me go in here. Hold on.
Let me turn around. This other one will blow your mind. Here you are. You're in the small cave. I want to see your reaction when you come around this other one. Here she comes. Oh my gosh! Mind blowing.
This is amazing. This is the cave?
Yes.
I did it, you guys! I
Yay!
hit a 600 square foot? What did you
No,
call
it's a
it?
600-foot hike.
600-foot hike. Look where we at, baby.
This is
Look where
the
we at.
this is the view
Look where
from
we at, baby.
inside the cave.
Don't let anyone tell you you cannot do it, especially those malignant thoughts within your own head. Stay focused on what you want to do and try your best. I said I wouldn't make it all the way on top of here,
I had faith.
but Kavika, fuck, come on, man, tell me your name one more time.
Kavika.
Kavika.
There you go.
Kavika said I will be able to do it, and his initiative paid off because I did that, bitch. I know I did it by myself,
Yes.
but
I didn't
got
help
a
her.
little push, a little help, a little love
Yep.
from Kavika.
Aw.
Thank you, Kavika. And
You're
you guys,
welcome.
check me in my next video. We're gonna do more trails. I need to show you the beautiful sides of Hawaii that you can touch should you ever come to Oahu. For all my spiritual people, y'all already know I'm about to do some quick meditation before we leave up out of this cave. So thank you.
And number one, if anybody comes here, I usually charge $75 a head to take you around to the most beautiful places in Hawaii that most people don't get to see. And this is not touristy stuff. This
Good
is
shit.
dedicated to your own love. Let's walk out to the point here. Hold on. Come here, kiddo. Come over here.
Oh shit. That's kind of close to the edge.
Nope.
Kaviki.
Come on.
Oh shit.
Come on.
Shit. You told me about the slide.
I told you, but you
Stay
gotta.
right here.
No,
Stay
come.
right here.
No.
Let me stay right here. I
No.
fell. Did they catch that? Did you see me
No,
fall?
I didn't look at you when you fell on the ground. Hold on to me, please, and mindfully control your thoughts.
I'm excited right
Yes,
now.
you are.
I'm excited.
Follow me. Do you trust me?
Yes, I trust you.
Then follow me.
But I just met you today.
Yep. Come. 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 Sit right here. Right here.
Right there?
Right there. Come over here where I'm at and sit right there. You can straddle, you can do whatever you like. It don't matter. You can face that way, whatever you like. Because here's the thing. You're at the edge of your life, at the edge of your world. And if you look here, she is really on the edge. She's conquering her fears within herself. Her demons will leave her today. And she'll be a brand new woman by the time she comes off of this mountain. Every mountain has its own blessing. And this is the most beautiful blessing anybody can ever dream, ask, and pray for. Look at that. And it's pretty steep. I'm standing on the edge of a rock. I'll get a better view of her. Hang on a second. I'm gonna stand down here. I'm on the mountainside. See it? That's
Real
right.
quick, can I tell him something?
Yep. Right here. Turn to the camera.
Sometimes you just gotta look fear dead in the fucking eye and say,
I am more.
I don't give a fuck! I am strong! I am powerful! Hear me roar! Roar! Roar!
That's the one. Alright, so we're going down here a little bit. I want to get a bottom view of where she's at, which this is like the danger point anyway, because I'm down on the mountain tip. Look at me. There you are.
Oh shit!
How you doing?
How you get down there?
I'll climb.
Oh shit! Hell no!
I've been climbing this
no.
mountain for almost 9 years, 8 years. So if I tell you you're going to be fine, what do I mean by that? See that? See where I'm at? See where I'm at? See her? See the edge?
Oh my god!
See the wall?
Oh my
I've climbed all over this mountain from the tops to the bottoms to the sides to the everywhere. I love this mountain. It's a good, enjoyable mountain. And it's the freedom that we all need to share.
Show them me.
I
This is the
am.
nirvana I'm talking about, right here. This is after the fear of apex. This is on the apex, looking over the apex. The fucking nirvana. They're looking over the cliff and feeling the wind in your face and watching every little piece at the bottom. Oh my God, being higher than every fucking else thing. Oh my God.
Stay. Let me come up there. There's a little trail over here. Here we go. Ah. All right. Let's see what we got here.
Oh my God, Kavika, what are you doing?
Getting the view.
You're standing up, though.
On the edge. Look. That's why they call me the Billy Goat. The mountain goat.
Wait, I gotta do it, you guys. I gotta do it. Yodelady, yodelady, yodelay. Hee-hoo. Yodelady, yodelady, yodelay. Hee-hoo. Yodelay. Hee-hoo. Yodelay. Hee-hoo. Yodelay. Hee-hoo. Oh God, what am I doing? What am I doing?
Here, I'll stand right here on the edge of this
No.
rock. Right here. See this?
Oh my God.
This is probably a 9-foot roll into a drop of over 400, 500 feet.
Ah!
Face me and look at me. Look upon that which you could become. This is 100% freedom.
Oh my God.
Freedom away from doubt. Freedom away from what is blocking us.
What are you doing? It's a drop all the way around.
You accept the fact of your inevitability to live, and you want to stand up and purify yourself by basically clearing and cleansing yourself within your spiritual self. But you had to dedicate yourself to the stand.
But I'm gonna get. What's the word? I'm gonna get in my position. Motherfucker.
Her first stand up. She's been down at a squat for a minute. There you go. Now feel it lift you. Feel the breeze that fills your lungs. Feel the balance that it requires. You need to feel the center of where you're at, because only the center will show you and answer all your questions. The power of choice. The fear is breaking apart. It doesn't have the strength to hold you down. Because that's your story. Her life unfolds one story at a time. Mm-hmm.
The pleasure principle!
You did it. Now, stand in the shade and relax. There you go. Turn around and say hi to me.
Do not contemplate the work back down this motherfucker. Enjoy the apex and worry about the downhill return.
The journey.
later.
The journey that returns you back to safety. That you feel safe on flat. Even though we feel safe more on where we can balance. Not so much it has to be flat.
My skunk just came out. Did you hear me fart? My skunk just came out.
That's what that was.
Shit. Yes.
You're pretty relaxed around me.
It's the air, like you said.
Pushing out the old.
The hill, going up the hill, using my hands, using my legs. Just skunk air. Feels good when I fart. It's all good.
I don't care. She's inside of a mountain. I get a view of the, let's see,
The cave.
the cave is probably in some areas 8 feet, other areas 15 feet, like out here at the end is about 15 to the top, and over here is probably about 3 feet to the top. She could probably fit her little ass in there, one of these little cubby holes.
Let me talk to them real quick privately. Ooh. How come I can't see myself? Hold up, how do we do this? Oh yeah, didn't they say? Okay. You guys. I want to say this. If you have the opportunity, if you have the chance to do something that you've never done before, I say